Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can sort of like change the controls on Valorant, like the settings of it. So I'm just in a game right now, like in a custom game. So I'm just going to press escape on my keyboard and then go to controls right here. Here you can control the actions that your agent has. So if I want to use the C ability, like the droning ability, I press C on my keyboard. This is like the standard sort of ability that I have. They gave, but sometimes people change like their ability. For instance, for the ult, I press X on my keyboard like this. But if you want to change it, escape, and then go to the ultimate one, click on it, and choose your key. So it's currently X for mine. For instance, you want to change it to your mouse button, you can do that. And then if I press my mouse button, as you can see, it changes to like my alt. And I'm just going to change it back to X. You can also change the movement one. A lot of people use the scroll button for a jump, like mouse wheel up, but I don't really like it. I like using space. I'm just going to make it the space bar again. There's also fly up, fly down, toggle crouch. I don't toggle walk too. I don't like to put that on. You can also, when using marshal or operator, you can change the setting on that in equipment. I choose toggle, which means if I right click, it's going to hold it. Some people like holding it, and that means if I use my mouse, I need to like hold the right click, or else it's not going to like zoom in. But I like to use toggle for that. You can also change the fire. There's also the equipment, primary weapon, secondary weapon, equip spike. We like to use 4. It's the usual one. There's also inspect weapon, which is like Y. You can also change that. Communication interface. There's a lot of sort of options you can save. You can also create a new agent profile. Oops, sorry. And yeah, that's basically some of the things that you can change on Valorant. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!